Series of 5 on the step. So your client's gonna sit up super tall. You wanna scoot to the edge of the step with your sits bones. From here, you're gonna grab the backs of your knees. Inhale, exhale, tuck the pelvis under, start to roll the pelvis down and away, staying at the edge of the step, trying to bring your ribs back toward the arc. I know, finding there, you're gonna bring your right leg to tabletop for single leg stretch. Opposite leg extends out and away. Your hand's gonna go on top of your shin. Pull that knee into your chest and switch for 5, for 4, good. Exhale, switch, for 3, awesome. Last 2, keeping that curvature in your spine. Last one, hold the right knee into your chest. Hands go behind your head for crisscross. You're gonna bring your left elbow to that right knee and then find that opposition for 5. Awesome, Neil. Beautiful. Really feeling that abdominals. Can you curl 1 more inch forward? Oh, I know. Last one on each side. You're gonna hate me. From here, extend your toes up to sky for double straight leg stretch. You're gonna lower down and lift. Just 3 more. This is super challenging. Good, final 2. Feeling the belly connect. Try not to overload in your hip flexors. Last one. Beautiful. From here, lift it back up to sky. Grab the back of the right shin or right calf and then give me a little pull and switch. For 5. Good, feeling the shoulders drop, avoiding rolling back into the arc. You want to think of pulling toward that leg. Good, last 2. Awesome, Neil. 1 more. From here, both legs come into your heart, tabletop. Hands go to the outside of your ankles for double leg stretch. Bring your hands to your ears, extend your legs and arms simultaneously. Circle the arms around, bring it around. Good, just 2 more like that. Finding the length, pulling around. Last one, this is wonderful. Finding that connection, bring your feet to the floor, round into a tiny little ball forward. Pulling the backs of your legs. Abs are really worked. And then we find our series of 5. Awesome work.